Everything is about NFT these days. The Queen of England died? Make an NFT for her tribute. Qatar is hosting the FIFA World Cup? FIFA starts making exclusive NFTs. Is it a boy or a girl? Who cares? Make an NFT of it first. And now we have GameStop, who's jumping with joy as they start adding NFT trading cards to their loyalty program. Hotcakes? Nay, sir. Hot NFTs. First, the rewards program just got more rewardy. GameStop has announced a new benefit for its loyalty program members. The gaming giant is taking this action as part of further expansion into the digital sphere. If you had been living under a rock and didn't already know, GameStop, located in Grapevine, Texas, is a retailer of video games, consumer electronics, and gaming accessories. As a massive thank you to its loyal customers, GameStop has created the GameStop Power Up Rewards program. Sounds like the Power Rangers chant, "Go, go, Power Rangers!" GameStop is enhancing its rewards program to include more relevant benefits. They announced that they're working with Immutable Game Studio to include NFT trading cards into their upcoming digital game, Gods Unchained. A very Kratos kind of vibe to this name, if we may be honest. These NFT trading cards will be made available to the GameStop Power Up Rewards Pro members. The video game store started its own NFT marketplace earlier this year, with the stated goal of specializing in non-fungible tokens and other digital commodities linked to games. Everyone just wants to make money. We don't openly include ourselves in this, but, well, moving on. Next, more of Gods Unchained. As a digital trading card game powered by the Ethereum blockchain, Gods Unchained gives its users the freedom to buy, sell, and trade virtual items with one another. Chris Clay, who oversaw the digital adaptation of Magic the Gathering, conceived the idea. There was $74 billion in in-game spending in 2020, according to the game's website. The game Gods Unchained was also highlighted as one that GameStop would attempt to beat. So, God of War, sorry, Gods Unchained in question may get a boost in its quest to increase its part of the NFT gaming market, thanks to a statement made this week. In its newest venture into crypto and digital tokens, GameStop has partnered with Immutable X, a blockchain utilized by Gods Unchained and other NFT-based games. According to CNBC, this is seen as part of the faltering firm's strategy to revamp its operations and get back on its feet. Essentially, players will be buying NFT cards to boost their deck, and those cards can be exclusive just to them. So whenever they play, they'll be showing off their versions, and cards in their deck will have this feel-good factor to it for each player. How cool! Meanwhile, on September 27th, the redemption codes will be mailed to the inboxes of GameStop Power Up Pro members. Y'all better note that this offer is only valid for current members of GameStop Power Up Pros as of September 27th. Moving on, some words of wisdom from Gods Unchained director Clay, who believes now is the right moment for GameStop Power Up Pros to plunge into the universe of Gods Unchained. Also promised that more news will be coming soon. Thanks to this collaboration, Gods Unchained gamers will soon be able to use NFT trade cards in their deck construction and competitive multiplayer fights with friends and other players. The cards will be made accessible to users who pay the $14.99 each year to join the Power Up Rewards Pro program, but they will not be unique to these users and may be purchased and sold by anybody. This relationship with Gods Unchained is only the beginning of GameStop's foray into the NFT and blockchain industries. The video game publisher and the cryptocurrency exchange FTX have just signed a partnership agreement. Stay tuned with us for more deets in the upcoming content. Further, will this move stop GameStop from declaring bankruptcy? In the wake of new leadership from CEO Matt Furlong and board chair Ryan Cohen, creator of Chewy and previous activist investor at Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop has made a significant shift toward digital marketization. Meme stock investors have found inspiration in Cohen, driving GameStop shares from the low $10 to over $80 in early 2021. As GameStop's losses continue to mount, Furlong is doubling down on the company's transition to digital. As reported by Refinitiv IBES data, GameStop lost 35 cents per share in the second quarter after adjusting for non-recurring items. In an effort to rekindle interest in its stock among individual investors, the business replaced CFO Michael Recupero during the period covered by the study and announced a stock split of 4-for-1. It's concerning that GameStop's success has come at a time when gaming firms are seeing a drop in demand for video games from epidemic highs. Additionally, there's also GameStop and its dabbling with crypto. In the face of extreme volatility and a decrease in NFT interest, the video game store has joined the blockchain world. According to Non-Fungible, NFT sales have dropped by 92% since last September. Additionally, the cryptocurrency market saw one of its most tumultuous trading weeks in the previous 2 years earlier this month. The Gods Unchained deal complements GameStop's existing cryptocurrency and NFT initiatives. Players can load their GameStop wallets with NFT trading cards, which can then be used to purchase in-game cash that goes by a very funky $Gods on the FTX platform, as well as more trading cards from the GameStop NFT marketplace. With the cryptocurrency market growing in popularity, volatility, and vulnerability to large-scale theft, GameStop is aware that it's exposing its customers to new dangers. The firm has even tweeted to customers to be cautious and not make any rash purchases using the wallet because of the irreversibility of the transactions. Next, the future of GameStop. GameStop has outlined its long-term goals, and they include more than just selling video games. Along with its most recent financial report, the store detailed its plans to expand into the broader technology sector. Anyone who has shopped at or browsed GameStop's website, like us, in the last several years knows that the company has a wide variety of things outside video games. This includes Funko Pops, apparel, general stuff, gadgets, and more. Funko Pops are our fave, and we even have a collection to show for proof. Now, moving on to other news. First, the Ethereum community is buzzing. The much-anticipated Ethereum merge has occurred, and now users can't stop talking about it. Only seconds after the groundbreaking crypto event, a single user created the first non-fungible token, NFT, based on a POS consensus. As of Thursday, 6:42 a.m. UTC, block 1553739 was the official time of the merge. After then, at 7:08 a.m. UTC, the NFTs minting and sale were officially announced for the first time. For 36 Ether, the NFT, a time capsule of the first NFT mint with the recognizable cute panda face, was promptly acquired. ETH. Crypto Twitter lit up with retweets and analysis as the first POS NFT was announced. Feedback from the neighborhood varied from questionable decision-making to fire. As a tribute to the well-known Bored Ape Yacht Club characters, one user even wondered whether the merge panda might become the new ape. Second, NFT Signals partners with Beastlike. NFT Signals, a groundbreaking NFT initiative, has announced a partnership with Beastlike, a trading signal service that has so far brought its users over $50 million in total group gains. This set of NFTs by Beastlike is based on a game concept called Shinobi Tribe that was first conceived 10 years ago but was never brought to market. This project is groundbreaking because it uses NFTs in a novel way to improve the rarity, playability, and narrative engagement of the Beastlike realm. There is nothing else quite like Beastlike, so in that sense, this work is revolutionary. The group's unique and beautiful masterwork, developed as a labor of love, has won both collectors and dealers alike. The 30,000 NFTs in the collection are the result of a complex interplay between the 50 beast animal races and the 10 allied elemental tribes. Characteristics like armor, facial features, weaponry, tribes, and so on are all present and accounted for. When taken as a whole, however, the collection offers a more substantial experience because of Beastlike's comprehensive design. This translates, in the simplest terms, to a wider range of playable characters, and, by extension, to more appeal for dedicated gamers and collectors. As a result of these design choices, Beastlike is able to provide 8 distinct tiers of rarity, with the least common tier selling for 23,000 units, and the rarest tier selling for only 5. Finally, Ethereum's proof-of-work block got minted into an NFT. Having raised capital from investors, the NFT's founders spent 30 Ethereum, about $50,000, early on Thursday morning to mint the NFT. Ethereum's block gas limit, or maximum block size, is now at 155,373. indicating that no further transactions may be processed in this block. We're not kidding, guys, this actually happened. Someone mined a vanity block NFT to fill the remaining POW spot. They spent a total of 30.2 ETH, including a TX charge of 1.3 ETH, to be the last to use all 30 million of their gas in the final transaction. That's a wrap for this video. Will GameStop's dive into crypto give it a new lease on life? Let us know in the comments below. It would be awesome if you gave this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more scrumptious videos like this. See you in the next one.